Can you tell us a bit about your company, what makes DMG unique?
So DMG is an equipment rep, and about 10 years ago we started doing controls contracting in order to bundle equipment and controls so customers didn't have to decide if it's an equipment or a controls problem, and there's constant fighting on job sites. So we turnkey projects and do construction to make their lives easier and better.
Is there a particular industry you specialize in?
Like
No, commercial and hospitality, I would say.
mixed-use high-rises, medical office buildings. We've done marijuana facilities.
Data centers. We had a long stint with, critical cooling and data center applications in the Bay Area. So we are all over the place. We will kind of take whatever we can get.
And what kind of challenges do you see the building owners facing in your region?
Probably finding the right partners. It's difficult when budget's such a big deal and low cost is everything. You end up with some of the worst contractors to team up with. So it's really hard to find good design build partners. So trying to team up with good people you can keep using on the next project is probably the hardest thing, but the best thing if you can find the right place to do it.
What's one thing you think customers appreciate the most about working with DMG?
The people. Us in particular.
Yeah.
So how many are there of you at DMG?
There's about 10 of us right now.
In our group.
In our group.
Yeah.
I assume you are the best two there.
Best,
No, we're the
best
worst
looking.
two. We're the worst two,
Best looking
unfortunately.
two.
Can use that.
What is one word you would use to describe your experience with reliable controls?
Supportive, I think, is probably the best word. And anything we ask for, we tend to get it, or we get told how to get it done. We've never felt like we were left in the middle of nowhere without anyone to call for help. So I think customer support is probably number one for what I've experienced.
Yeah. I work in the field. Brandon does all the engineering and sales, and tech support has always been incredibly helpful over other controls brands. So supportive, I would agree with that.
What do you think sets reliable controls apart from other manufacturers?
Tech support for me.
Tech support, making a lot of the products in-house, I think, because I think when I'm saying tech support, it's because they can go to the person across the hallway and figure out it's a hardware problem, software problem. It's not all outsourced, so it's easier to get answers. So I think that's kind of at the core, probably why we're getting good responses, is because you have it all in-house.
What has been your impression of your visit to the head office today?
That's really awesome. Specifically the manufacturing side of things. That was really amazing to see that every part of it was done in-house. So, and the wave machine, the wave process, if that's what that was called, that was cool. Felt like a little kid peeking behind the blinds of something. That was cool.
Oh yeah, for me it was probably just seeing everything integrated so well together. I think it speaks to like the end goal of every project and what you want out of a building and what it takes to build it, and not have such a fragmented from beginning to end, and you don't get the outcome you want at the end. It's unusual to see a building that's so well put together years down the road.
Do you have any stories from the field that highlight what it means to be people and technology you can rely on?
I think out of the gate we're used to using control products that arrive, or they call it dead on arrival, where out of the box there's already ones that aren't working. And so initially when we started with reliable controls and we couldn't get one to work, our immediate thought was, return this thing, let's get a new one, that's the problem. And then we come to realize it was our own fault. We had pulled a fuse out of the controller, and it was this user error. We didn't read the manual right out of the gate. So at that point we kind of learned we really need to go through all the manuals and pay attention, because these guys actually did everything right and we came out with the wrong perspective.
So how do you like working with Casey?
Love her, she's the best. Keep her forever.
Well, that's all, guys. Thanks for taking the time today.
You're very welcome.